So now let's see how we can utilize the apply canvas filter inside of GIMP. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the filters menu, and then I'm going to go around over here onto artistic, and I'm going to go to apply canvas filter right here. So once I go around over here, you can see that it applies out something like a canvas right here, so that it seems as if something is being printed out on a canvas. You can go around and change around the depth of the canvas, as you can see right here, and then utilize the blending mode right here as well to blend out the content as per how you like. You can change around the opacity as per how you like as well, and see the before and after by utilizing the preview or the split view right here, just like this, and see the before and after right here. So now once the canvas is applied, you can go around and press OK, and then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize the apply canvas filter inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.